Hey there, friends. Today, let's talk about the wonderful journey of self improvement. We all want to live our best lives, right? It's exciting to know that there are so many tools available to help us grow and thrive. You can find a treasure trove of resources at platinumsky.com. This fantastic website offers a variety of ebooks that you can download immediately. Whether you're looking to jazz up your DIY skills or delve into some self help, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into some of these gem ebooks. Discover how to make lasting friendships or get rid of pesky household mold. Want glowing skin at any age? We've got you covered. Plus, there are strategies for tackling clutter, writing your first book, and even money making tips for tough times. You can also break bad habits, manage stress, and improve your sleep, all essential for leading a balanced life. So, why wait? Head over to platinumsky.com now and start your journey towards a happier, healthier you. Your best life is just a click away.